Welcome to the Nordic Campers YouTube channel. Today we're gonna be fishing, exploring the city of Nokia, and we're gonna go on a trip with my family, Ama plus my newborn son, Masa. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. So I just arrived in this beautiful city called Nokia. And the name of the city might sound quite familiar to you guys, because this is the origin place of the famous cell phone called Nokia. And here right beside me is the famous Nokia River. And if I can recall properly, the original Nokia company, which was founded in the 1900s, was located beside this river right here. And that's also the reason why I'm gonna be trying to catch some fish here. And let's test it out. I haven't done any reel fishing before, and so I just bought this cheap reel for like 30 euros. I'm not sure if this is good or not, but I'm gonna put this lure on there. I'm gonna keep throwing it in the water and see what happens. I immediately got stuck somewhere. Is it gonna be my second throw and I'm gonna lose my lure? I think I'm gonna have to cut the line, lose the lure, and I'm gonna switch spots. So yeah, in the 19th century, when Nokia was founded, they were actually making wood pulp alongside this river right here. And later on in the 20th century, the company started to do rubber products, mainly tires and boots. And even till this day, Nokia is still producing their famous rubber tires and their world famous rubber boots. And that looks like a perfect spot for me. I left in a bit of a hurry, so I didn't bring any rubber boots with me, but that was a soft falling. Let's try it again. What? Some really bad technical difficulties right now. I don't know why, but there's some line inside here that's tangled up. Now my lure is hanging off a tree. So like after 20 minutes of struggling, I'm finally back to square one. I just hope that I'm not gonna hit a rock first throw. Okay, that looked pretty good. This thing looks really good when it's swimming underwater. The tail is going like this and the whole body is moving also, so it looks pretty good in my opinion. I'm just not sure about the spot, but I'm gonna keep trying for a while and then I'm gonna switch spots. Yeah, it's time to switch spots now. So the peak of Nokia was when Nokia was producing cell phones, and I can still remember that my first phone was the legendary Nokia 3310. I bet most of you guys watching this video have also had that phone. Cause that phone was international. It was global. But as time passed, Apple and other competitors like Samsung, they just completely blew past Nokia. And I can totally understand why. Well, what an interesting trail. Yeah, Nokia's touchscreen was pretty bad in my opinion. So that also means that the user experience was much better with Apple than Nokia. So one of our national prides as a company, Nokia, started doing pretty poorly. And unfortunately, it has never recovered on the cell phone side. And actually, when Nokia started doing the cell phones, I thought that they were actually doing the cell phones here in Nokia. But apparently I was wrong. The cell phone manufacturing was in other cities and also most of the other operations of Nokia. So pretty much only the name has stayed, nothing else here in Nokia. And I'm talking about the cell phone side. As far as I know, the rubber boots production and the tires are still produced here in Nokia. This is not the safest thing to stand on, but It seems like an okay fishing spot. It looks like they have been lowering boats from here, but not pretty recently, because there's a full-grown perch here. But who knows, this might have been the place they used in the 19th century when they were producing wood pulp. Okay, a bit of technical difficulties again. Fishing is pretty hard actually. Siellähän... Pitää mennä kattoo. Missä? Uudessa kohdassa joku laajempi sitten. My girlfriend just called me and she's having problems with our newborn son. So I'm gonna head home now and we'll continue fishing tomorrow. So it's the next day and I've got my girlfriend Amanda with me and our 28 days old son Masa. I'm with the boys. So we're just arriving at the Nokia's dam. This particular dam produces 68 megawatts of power. And they have a shower there. Oh yeah, I'm gonna go downstream there. For sure. First we were thinking about fishing there, but below there that's a much better spot. So the turbines are right there, but I'm not sure if there's any fish here. Fish are pretty resilient, so maybe I'll head a little bit that way and I'll try there. Actually, I changed my mind. The water seems kind of foamy, maybe even dirty, so we'll try on the other side of the dam. So that's where all of the water is flowing from. The sign says that no fishing here will move spots. So the river was not a big hit, so we'll try a lake this time. Oh, okay. Everyone should bring some firewood from here to the fireplace. Yeah, so I'll oblige. Even though it's like almost positive 10 degrees Celsius, you can see a lot of ice and snow in the forests because the sun doesn't shine here. So the route is not in an optimal condition right now. And walking here while it's slippery, it's quite scary with a 4-week-old. That just looks like you're gonna slide downhill if you try to go from there. Yeah, we'll go around it.
Are we there yet?
Are we there yet?
Are we there yet?
Are we there yet? I think I just realized that I made a critical thinking error. The lakes are not gonna be unfrozen yet. And that's why I chose the river earlier in the video. So I'm guessing the lake is gonna be fully frozen, but let's see. Oh yeah, the lake is frozen. So 200 meters left and 700 meters to go back where we came from. So here it is. Yeah, I don't know what I was thinking about fishing. I've never used one of these before, but let's see how it goes. Hit the wood with another piece and it should... It's a beautiful spring day and today I'm gonna go fishing. tough luck, I didn't catch anything. But even though we can't fish on this lake today, we're gonna make some sausages. And a pro tip, you should always do some little cuts to your sausages if you have a knife with you. Now after lunch, we're gonna head back to the river, because maybe the river is the only spot that is unfrozen. So that's the only place I'm gonna be able to fish today. But we're gonna find a different spot this time there. So Amma said that I'm gonna have to scout ahead, and if the route is clear, then she'll join us. The river is somewhere there, and it seems to be a pretty rough terrain here. But I'm pretty sure that this time I'm gonna find a good fishing spot. Oh yeah, this is definitely gonna be my spot. Yes! It looks beautiful. This is so perfect. What? Yes! So finally it is time to cast a couple of lures, and let's see if I can actually catch some fish today. Okay, let's give this tiny little lure a shot. There are some rocks here that are pretty shallow, so I have to make sure that when I'm getting closer to the shore, I reel in faster and try to pick up the lure. Otherwise my lure is gonna get stuck again in these rocks and I'm gonna lose my just bought lure. But it seems to get pretty deep pretty quickly, so I just have to throw it as far away as possible, let it sink for a while, then reel in, and then when I get closer to the shore, reel in quicker and try to pull it up so it doesn't get stuck on these rocks. A pretty cool spot. So that is my original spot, and now I'm gonna move here. And this is a little bit of a calmer area with not that much of a current. As you can see further there, there's a huge current, so let's try to fish here for a while. I did bring some live bait with me, so let's put a couple of little maggots there and let's see if that makes any difference. Let's hope for the best. So Amma is almost here with Mikael, so I'm gonna go a bit backwards and meet them halfway. Amma! Hello! You know when you're in a video game, you find a secret location. This is the secret location. Let's put a big lure on there. Let's see what happens. So Amma and Masa were getting a bit chilly, so we'll head back to the car, grab something to eat, and then I might come back later. Final attempt of the day. Masa and Amma are gonna stay in the car, and I'm still gonna try to catch some fish. But now we all have our stomachs full, and this fishing place is actually pretty special. Because that building right there is the headquarters of Nokia tires. It's starting to rain a lot and it's getting kind of late, so I'm gonna call it quits now. But I want my revenge, so maybe I'll come here next weekend again. But anyways, hey, thank you guys so much for watching, and see you guys in the next video.